Hi, welcome to Alan Chong Idea Art. Today, I would like to share something how to get happiness from art drawing and painting. A lot of people tell me I can't draw and paint. How to get happiness from art? Actually, when you draw something, doesn't mean you must draw like Da Vinci. The artwork must look like realistic. That thinking was wrong. When you start drawing, just be yourself. Just draw whatever you like. Then you will find a true happiness from there. There are top 5 reasons art can make you happy. Art is stress relief. Life is stressful after a full day of work, family and city life. Sitting down with art supplies, even just a pencil and paper, allow you to let go and forget about your stresses. Art is form of self-expressions. Use art to express and share your emotion and thoughts. When you want to express yourself, art can be even more effective than words. Art creates a feeling of accomplishment. Creating art gives you feeling of accomplishment. Making something from start to finish provides fulfillment because you have done something new. Art helps you think in different ways. In art, painting, drawing, or any form of creating, you have chance to be creating and thinking outside of the box, something which most people do not do in their daily life. Art makes you a happiest person. Experts say there is a strong connection between creative expression and overall well-being. Getting into a state of the creative flow produces substantial happiness, the kind that lasts. Let me demo how to find a happiest in art. So, let's start draw or painting something now. Just find some happiness from art. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. With your support, I will continue make a good video for you. Write down your comment. Give me your suggestion. Goodbye. See you again.